Eating an apple. Squeaking on your gums.
Is that funny? Feel good? Does it feel good on your teeth? Yummy. Yummy.
What you eating, baby?
It's tiring you out. As you're getting so tired from chewing on it, it's a lot of work. Apple. Apple. What if I chew it? No. You have to chew that. You can't swallow it.
Hey, Dad.
Where's Daddy? Let's give Daddy a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
Daddy kisses. Where's Daddy? Kisses. Give him a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
Oh, those are not kisses.
That's
Those
not
are
a kiss.
That's what she's been doing every time I ask her for a kiss. She does that.
Give me a kiss.
Where's Mama's kisses? Come on. Where's my kisses? You're just a tinker butt.
Ada Lee. Give me a kiss.
Give me. Oh, that was kind of one.
Give me a kiss.
Oh, nice burp. Give Daddy a kiss. Where's Daddy? Daddy. Kiss him.
Oh, that's not a kiss. Give me a kiss.
That is me. Come on, do it. You give me a laugh?